Welcome to Ronsay TV. Ronsay TV.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ronsay. Welcome. So this is a review video, and I first of all want to take the time to shout out to Madam Glam for sponsoring this video, and I also want to go ahead and let you guys know that today I'm about to try Madam Glam's colors. I'm about to give you guys my honest opinion on this product. If you've been following me for a while, you can tell that my videos on my channel, even if I'm just doing tutorials, you can see that I always have nail polish, manicure on my fingers. I always try different colors. I love to, I just love to try different colors. I just like it's just fun for me. I can wear the same color for a long time. I try at least every week, maximum 2 weeks. And yeah, so I was so happy when they sent me these colors because it's like they knew what I like. This is the box that they sent me. Isn't this cute? So cute. Everything that they sent me was just perfect. It says Madam Glam New York, everything you love at your fingertips. And I'm about to try one of these colors in here, but just keep watching until we get there. First, I want to show you what's in this box. So this box comes like this. This is the VIP manicures. Here says, hello, glamorous. You are on board for amazing VIP manicures. And of course, they got me on board. Let's open it. Ready? The manicures came in this cute black and gold box. I am in love with these colors. Just beautiful. Perfect for the summer. Let's talk about this packaging here. Let's first of all talk about the way they just take the time to put all the stuff in sponge, and the color is so cute. It's really girly. Madam Glam, you did a good job on this packaging, I have to be honest. These are the colors they sent me: the orange gel polish, the purple gel polish, a top coat in there, and also a base coat. And the last color you see in here is the yellow gel polish. These colors are just the best for the summer, and I really can't wait to rock all of this. And this is the box from the back and here. And also, if you go over here, you can see the social media on the side, which is great. It actually makes it really easy for people to share their stuff here. So this is actually their website, madamglam.com. You can actually order their stuff, and they ship worldwide, which is great. Go to Madam Glam's official website and shop now. Summer is here and your nails are ready to look pretty all day. Don't forget to use my code to get 30% off. The first thing I noticed when I opened this box was the fact that the packaging, look at it, you can see for yourself, the sponge, and such cute colors, so pretty. Like the way they combine this together, I think it's such an amazing and thoughtful idea. And the second thing I noticed once I opened this box is their product that they're using. Okay, they are vegan. Look at this is vegan, which is amazing. And I am so happy that brands like this, companies like this, are creating stuff that are really close to who I am, like natural. This is vegan, and we have to do more natural stuff and use more natural stuff for our bodies, for our health. And this keeps your nails healthy. You using this that is here vegan, you can see it. It helps keep your nails very healthy. I'm gonna choose one of these colors. I don't know which one yet, but I'm definitely gonna choose one of these colors for my nails. And we are going to see how this gonna pop. These are really cute manicures. I have to be honest, they do the best job in creating vegan products for us to use. Because do you know sometimes you use manicures that when you take them off your fingernails and your fingernails don't look neat, clean? Do you have that feeling sometimes? They don't look smooth. The nail itself doesn't look smooth and neat at all. It doesn't look that clean. Even though you actually try to clean it, really clean up, it still doesn't look smooth and neat. And then you have to still use the file and just file it a little bit for you to get that kind of smooth look. And you know, that's because we use so much that is not actually good for our skin or for our nails. And I think this is just the perfect choice. If you're someone that like me, that like more natural stuff, that like more to use natural stuff on their body, just because you want to live a healthy lifestyle, you want to use less chemicals, you know, and go more into natural. Even though natural stuff can be very expensive, and that's one thing I really have to recommend them. Their products are very affordable. They're so affordable. You can afford them, I can afford them. And that's what I love. These are high quality made stuff. The standard is high, the product is amazing, and they are using vegan products. Can you imagine that? Like, what else? What can be better than this? And inside that packaging, you get also a LED lamp. You can use it to dry your nails if you want. You can basically do all this by yourself at home. This is the cable, and you could just use the cable and connect it right here. So, like so. This is so cute. I could only recommend this for you. Go to the website. You can find so many more colors. I'm gonna leave their link in the description box below so you guys can go and get all the goodies you want. Okay, and you know what? Your girls get you covered. Use my code Ronsay30 or Ronsay 30. I think it's easier because my tongue, okay? I'm like Ronsay 30. Yes, Ronsay 30. Use my code Ronsay 30, or better say 30. If you use my code Ronsay 30, I'm sorry, I was kind of scared to use the 30 because my tongue is playing some kind of games here. I'm gonna make sure I leave the link in the description box below. Follow the link and go to the website and order whatever color you want, okay? They sent me these colors because they know I like bold colors. I don't know. How did you know? Like, wow, Madam Glam. Amazing. So I want to really try a color that's boom, boom right now. So I think I'm going to go for the Soak Off Gel Polish. Permanent. Oh my God. Finish semi-permanent. The color of my choice today is this yellow color because I just think this color is like pow pow, like I said. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and paint my nails with this. So I'm just gonna use this LED lamp to dry my nails up. I told you, look at how this color is popping. So this is the color that I choose, and I am loving this color. I love the color so much. It smells so good. It smells like fruit. What are your favorite colors when it comes to manicure, nail polish? Comments below. Don't forget to share this video. And of course, subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching today. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.